experimented. Oh, doesn't look so good, but still look nice if you make a big blanket or shawl, but this one is better. This one I can make collar dress. Okay, let's start. Do 16 chain. Now join that, do slip chain, slip and one chain and 24 single crochet in that one big hole. Already, then do join it to slip chain, then one chain and all around single crochet on this each chain. Coming to the end, notice that I leave one of it. See, there's one there, but I just go and do slip chain. One chain, knot, cut it off, and hide the thread. Now I'm doing the pink, same 16 chain, one, this time you see how I'm going to put. Look at the pattern, which is very clear. Put it in there always. And then the same thing you do, slip chain and a chain and 24 single crochet. Coming to the end, and slip chain. And then chain and 24 single crochet in each chain. Then I will leave one of it and go for next one. This is how we do it. There, notice. Now we're going to do the green part now. Same 16 chain, and look at it on the pink. Put it in on the pink. The same pattern. Now look at it. Yeah, to the top. That goes there. That goes there. Now I'm taking the light brown. Same pattern. 16 chain. Now going to put it on the green. You cannot put it on the red, put it in and you turn that and take the bottom part of the tail, go through the red that way, pull it out, not put it in, pull it out, and then now do slip chain. Same pattern. Now it's done. Look at it. All you can see the chain. You cannot do like that. So you put back here, and then you can see all the chain. This is part 1. Part 2 will be next.